In this video, I'm going to show you how to check Opay account balance. Probably if you don't have access to the mobile app, the next thing you might have access to is your ussd code. So for you to be able to access your account balance on Opay, you need to have mobile app or get the ussd code that you can use to check your account balance on Opay. Even though if you don't have any internet access, you still be able to check your Opay account balance. So the next thing you're gonna do, just open your Opay app. If you have an Opay, then you see available balance at the top right here. I already hide my own right here, so you can see it's my account balance. And if of course you don't have access to Android device or an internet access, the next thing you're gonna do is to have the ussd code that will allow you to check your Opay account balance. So to get a ussd code, you have to log into your Opay app, then click on the main or the bottom right here. Then you can see all this drop down here. Just click on Opay ussd. So here you have all the ussd code that Opay actually support. There you see the main ussd code is 955 star 955 hash, and then you'll be able to see all the drop down code below. But then if you just want to check your account balance straightforward, all you just need to do is just scroll down, then you see check balance, which is star 955 star 0 hash. Then you'll be able to get your account balance on your Opay if you don't have internet access from where you are.